that it will be unconstitutional to allow for the establishment of a monarchy in Zimbabwe because there is no legal or legislative or constitutional framework within which it can be re-established. So it is important that we go through the processes of ensuring that the constitution is amended to cater for a monarchy, and or we go through the legislation, the legislature to ensure that at the end of the day we have legal and constitutional provisions for the establishment of a monarchy.
So what does that mean essentially about the coronation tomorrow?
Well, as it stands, it means that the coronation cannot take place because there is a ruling against that from the courts. We have not yet established whether we are going to appeal against the ruling itself or take it up to the Constitutional Court. But just of now, this is the judgment of the court.
By the way, for the record,